Today in this video, we will see how to close all the tabs or multiple tabs that are open in a Safari browser at the same time. So how to close all the tabs in Safari browser at once. So let's start the video and check out the method here. First of all, open any tab or go to home page and here tap on bookmark icon. Go ahead, tap on here. So now here from given menu or option, come to the last one, that is history, and here below there is an option called clear. Go ahead and tap on clear, and here if you see there is an option given to you for clearing the history, right? And from here also option given to you like close all tabs. Go ahead and tap on close all tabs, and here tap on clear history. And here if you see, instantly all the tabs are removed from the particular tab option given to you in Safari browser. If you see, no tabs available now after that method. So guys, it is how you can delete all the tabs, multiple tabs at the same time in a bulk on your iPhone Safari browser instantly. So that's it. I hope you found the video helpful, and if yes, please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.